DS section 860 230 RR Roulette at BMW Ham enjoy wins main time set. On the bottom right corner you see which numbers were red. We got the red, blacks, lows, highs, odds, evens, all that information as well. The numbers with the lightnings on them. Yeah, bets close. Let's check out the new lightning round here, ladies and gentlemen. What do we get? So 3, 14, 34, 34 being 150x, we should have both. $16, even though saying those in the first column. This section hot one, 880 winners. Jeune as well as Ado 5-7. That's going to enjoy your wins. Main time is well. Okay, looking forward for a new round, ladies and gentlemen. See some shaking numbers here. 6 going for a shake. Hey, and the 6 is the only one I'm going to shake currently. 0 as well, bang time's closed. Let's check out the new lightning numbers. Good luck. 20, 25, both of them 50x's. Good luck. And we land 12. Even though that's gone, this is a 0 section called 129 winners. Aaron, Sound, and J, Ben, and Aaron. Enjoy your win. Not bad, not bad. Right. Let's bring it around one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Do enjoy. And main time is closed. What do we see this time? About to find out. 13, 18, 21. 18, 21. 100x. You get 22. Even I, second dozen, first column, and wasn't 0 section, hot one, 863 winners. Ado, Sunny, Honor, Ham, BMW, congratulations, your wins. And let's bring it around one more time. Hot numbers right now, 15, 22, 16, 32, and 0. Of last 500 spins, 15 definitely has been the hottest one around the block. Good luck. Bets closed.
So, try natin maglaro tayo ng 30 minutes, guys. Manalo, matalo.
Let's see, we get 4, 9, 27 with 4 being 100x, we should bet.
Yes,
19. You know, first, all I'm saying is the first one was in 0 section, 779 winners. Ado, Ku, A, K, SS, and Lee, enjoy your wins total. Main time's open for you. Cold ones are 12, 36, 9, 17, as well as 24. Last 100 spins, those are the most rare numbers, with 12 being the coldest one, ice cold. Main time's closed. Check the numbers.
Siguro mga ano lang, 20 minutes. Hindi natin sa 20 minutes, guys.
Let's check. 5, 15, 27, with 15, 27, 100x, we should bet.
Kung manalo. Eh, kung talo, wala tayong papahinga.
And 14. Even though saying doesn't think of awful lines, 841 winners total. Aaron, Roulette, CBC, Oko, Jack, congratulations, your wins. And let's begin with a new round. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. We shoot a base. Playing time's closed. Good luck.
First 12 days.
And what do we see? What do we see? Two numbers 0, 6, 0, 100x. We should have bet.
Shit, ayan na nga.
31. Alright, third is in first column. Offline, 728 winners. RRNTA Ham and Touring. Congratulations, 728 winners total. And we're about to start with the next round as well. RR9. Almost 25k victory there. Keep it up. Alright, let's close the bets down, ladies and gentlemen. Bets closed. Lightning coming right up for you. So, what do we see? 1, 2, 18 with 1 being 150x. 30. United, isn't that column? This is the section, ladies and gentlemen. 719 units, Flow, Adgan, Roulette, DKBG, Mako. Congratulations, your wins.
So, 300.
We're about to land this round
Minus
one more
200.
time.
Minus
Oof,
50.
it's running. Shoot the best of luck, ladies and gentlemen, to enjoy.
Kaya tuloy lang tayo.
And betting time's closed. Good luck.
Stickable ticks.
So, what do we see? What do we see? 21, 24, 34, 24, and 150x.
Ayan na. Shit.
Land of 7. Although first column, this wasn't 0 section.
So, lumabas na yun sa
710 winners. Aaron, Ben, Ray, Sashin, and Tak. Congratulations, your wins.
natin ito.
And a bad start. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing out there? Enjoying the session? Having a good one? Alright, it's on the run. Wish you the best.
Bahala na.
Bets closed. Lightning coming right up. Right. Ooh, 5 numbers. 4, 10, 14, 25, 34, 500x. Good luck.
Alternate yung ano, yung first 12 at saka yung third 12. Eh, hindi ko tinayan. Shit! Pala ko tayo.
Strands 13. Old lows. Second and first column. Yes, section. 709 winners. Flow, Dory, CBC, BMW, TUF. Congratulations. 709 winners total. And let's bring it around one more time, ladies and gentlemen. It is on the run. Wish you best of luck. Enjoy. Alright, betting time's closed. Let's check the lightning coming up. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. So, what do we see? What do we see? 16, 26, 27.
25. Dapat ano, mababa lang. Okay na yan. Mga 10, ganun.
13. Although saying doesn't first column.
Goods na yung ano, 10 guys.
Tier section number.
Dot na lang talaga ako.
788 wins. Aaron, AMC, Flo, Hazina, Alan, Madar. Congratulations. And we're about to begin with the next.
Ay!
Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Wish you the best. Come on.
306.
Where's the lightning at? Somebody call Zeus.
Tayo ng 306.
Let him know when I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw.
So,
Let's
20
go.
minutes
Let's go.
tayo. 20 minutes.
Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.
Matatagalan ako sa 20 minutes.
16 with a 50x on it.
Pero sige, try natin ng 20 minutes. Okay na. Okay na.
26. Even 9. That doesn't. Also, second column, Shazira Olsen 0, section 924 winners. Aaron, Frankie, EB, Ben, Onwa. Congratulations, you wins the last 3 spins. Black. Few more moments and we're going to begin one more time. Yeah? Yeah.
Tapos,
Last 3 spins I already mentioned of black. And we've got some shaky numbers in the background here. Definitely can check those out. Those have the most funds on them. Let's go. Good luck. Let's begin. Lightning coming right around the corner. 22, 27, 31, 31, 22, 200x. Good luck.
Masakit sa akin na to guys pag hindi na tayo lumaya. Ayun na. Uy, muntik na gago.
26.
Muntik na mag first 12. Tok na 3 yun.
United and single 0 section. Jojo, I'm AJK, E-Rock. Congratulations, your wins. And betting time is open. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Shoot the best.
Tapos, pag na-lose streak
And betting
tayo.
time's closed. Let's see the lightning around here.
Pag
What
na-lose
do we
streak
get?
tayo ng dalawa.
3 numbers.
tayo na.
15, 24, 27. 100x on all of them.
Gagets nyo guys. Panoorin nyo na lang pag natalo tayo ng ano. Ng 2.
30 red, you and I. Third and third column.
Mag-skip tayo ng isa.
DS section, hot one. Aaron, Roulette, Flo, Ham, Dory, Joy, 848 winners total. And main time is open. Let's bring it on, ladies and gentlemen.
Or papalose streak tayo ng 3.
Some nice speed. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Shoot the best.
Isa or dalawa.
And main time is closed. Check the numbers.
Magpapalose streak.
Alright, what do we get? What do we get? 27, 32, 27, 400x. You shoot the best.
Tataya ako ng isa. Tataya ako ng isa. Parang, sige, yun, ganun.
15 black. Odd low. Second dozen, third column, 0 and 0 section, hot one, 875 winners, RRR, V46, CBC, Aaron, EB, enjoy Bane time is open. Few more moments and it will begin.
Sana
Good luck.
effective
It's nice running. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Wish you the best. All right, and Bane time is closed. What do we get? What do we get? We're about to find out.
Kasi,
So, two numbers rolling, 19, 29, with 19, 100 extra, wish you the best.
kaya. So, yes, tama yun, guys.
A numbers
Tama yung trick
24,
natin na gagawin.
black.
Pumalo strict tayo, guys.
Even I, second and third column, this section column, 815 minutes, at V4 flow, Dory, Roulette, enjoy. And we're about to start one more time, ladies and gentlemen, wish you the best. Got some speed on it. Nice. You ready? Let's go.
Antayan na natin ng
Enjoy.
pangatlong yun, 400, 400 yun, bali 800 yung total nun.
And Bane time's closed.
800 ba? Basta i-skip tayo ng isa.
So, three numbers, 9, 18, 20, with 20 being 100x.
For safety first lang naman, guys.
36, even I, third and third column. This is TS section called one, 764 when it starts to flow, crank, AB, Mehmet, and Dafa. Enjoy your wins.
20
Okay,
minutes tigil.
few more moments, and we'll begin with the next round. Some nice speed on it, and do enjoy, ladies and gentlemen.
Tapos balik ako sa strap.
Alright, Bane time's closed.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Check the numbers.
Pero syempre, kung itutuloy natin,
So, what do we see? What do we see? 6, 19, 27, 27, 300x. Good luck.
pag nanalo, tigil muna. Pagbukas ulit. Kasi babawian at babawian.
That's a 5, although first is the same column.
Tayo.
And this is TS section, ladies and gentlemen. Bane time's open. RRB 46, Aaron Sunnel, 8 seconds. Hey, enjoy. And Bane time is open for you, ladies and gentlemen. Whole lot of numbers shaking. Ain't nobody faking. Big funds on those. Right, Bane time's closed. We found out. We found out. We found out. Oh man, 5. We got it. Congratulations. Enjoy. That's a good one. 19.
So hindi tayo
19.
natalo, guys.
Hold
Tignan
on.
natin.
Second dozen, first column wasn't 0 section. Hold on, 820 minutes. That's going to be a host change. Good luck.
Kasi,
I love that. What's up? It's your boy Henry, caffeinated and
diretso ko to ng ide.
well-fed gentleman. Yes.
last
Take care,
time
mister. Hey, man. What up there, Umatron?
Wala na, hindi na siya
Yeah. How are we feeling? That's good. I like my coffee, a tea,
Kasi
and
itong
sparkling water.
structure na to, apat na beses.
Henry in the house. Yes.
Almost
Corey,
ito lang to.
exciting. Hey, 34,
So, pag
35,
natalo
and
ako
50
ng
or
apat
44.
na beses, wala na, talo na talaga to, ubos talaga to. So kaya gusto ko mag-skip ng isa.
We got a 6 black, alone and even. Third column, the first
Pag
dozen.
nag-streak ako ng dalawa,
West fellow gone. My man left. He's gone. 6 out of 97 to stop this. GG Coffee up 6 black. Hey man, what up? Dear host, please leave this table. You are the very worst host. I just got here, bro. Last second. It's like, I haven't even been here on for a minute. You gotta give me a chance, bro. Come on. Just a chance. That's close. I'm not that bad, you know. Initial appearances may be deceiving. I know the bald head and the beard, you know, it might not be for everyone. Give me a chance, please. 113, 33, 36, 100 or 36.
Kalaki guys, ng ganito, yung 25-25.
One black.
Risk kasi ito eh. Sanay talaga ako
black.
sa ano lang.
I didn't even second column, second dozen. You know, my lucky champ, bro. It's the spirit. 871 is V6, and compliments. Yes, D, you my friends. Of course, bro. I'll be friend. Let's do it. Anyways, not second.
2-6, nag-start ako doon 2-6.
Normal bets, good luck. All right, grid away. And lightning numbers, two of them. We have 14 and we got 29. 150 on both.
Kaso anong oras, is laro ulit ako.
Ah, 19. Number 19.
Depende na lang guys kung malaki mo.
High odds, first time, second dozen, 829 wins. B46 Roulette, BT00 comp. What shake? What is shaking? 33. Shake quite a bit, you know. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Last seconds. Alright!
Kaya natin, tas malit yung puhunan natin guys. Baka 500.
That's close. Good luck! See what we got. Alright. Let's do it. Well, 3 numbers, bro. 228 and 30 with a 200 on 30. We got a 10 black. Alone, even first column, first dozen. Tier section, Opa. Yes, I am bald, I'm aware. 672 desire flow and our comments. You are the best, bro. Thank you, Mr. Nickname. Guys, place your bets. Inside bets, outside bets, of course, if you're looking for the multipliers, you gotta bet on these straight up numbers. But if you do that, you have a chance of winning upwards of 500 times the original bet, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me. That's close, yeah. You know, 500 times what you put in. If you get that, it's GG, guaranteed. 1916, 200 on 1, good luck.
2 lose streak pala, 2 lose streak. Tapos mag-skip tayo na isa sa tayo.
Yeah, 6 black, low and uneven. Third column of the first dozen number, ladies and gentlemen, open section with 700. 11 with our chaps, Marvin, compliments, betting time. Place your bets. Newcomers welcome to Lightning Roulette. Yup, just like I said, you have a chance of getting up to 500 times the original bet if you place your bets on straight up numbers. No swearing, even if it's in Russian. You understand, bro? I play CSGO. I know what the most common swear words in Russian are, but it's closed. Then again, most people just yell Russian into the mic. That's it. Anyways, got 1725, got 117 good luck.
Gumagana. Pero nananalo tayo. Up na tayo ng 600.
1 red.
Panalo pa rin tayo guys. Tuloy lang na.
Low and on. First call.
Up na tayo ng 700.
First dust. Sorry about that. Not yawning. 750 nominals. Mahdi, Sonny, and
3 minutes
Sonny.
pala.
Two same nicknames. 2 top ones. Impressive. Anyways, last second, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this thing. If you have any questions, ask quick. Umatros says thank you. No, my man. No compliments. Big compliments. You're good, bro. That's good. Thank you.
So ngayon, na-upload ko to ngayon.
Please, 33, 16, 20. Well, we'll have to see, bro. I don't control the outcome of the game. I'm just trying to announce what's happening. 10, 21, 23, 100, 21, 23.
4:53 ng hapon. So, upload ko siya ng 6 p.m.
Yeah, baby, 27 red, high number from third column, third dozen, 826 with his iron chaps, white teeth compliments. I do not have many friends. That's upsetting. I'll be your friend. He's okay. We can have a good time together. Here, of course, last second. Here, yes. But let's hope for the best, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, as per usual. Gamble responsibly. Bets are closed. Levers been pulled. We're moving on and doing the thing. We got 3, 10, and 27. 500 on 27.
Effective rin naman yung ganun.
We have 5 over here loading on second column and the first one. Yes, section 687. So Roulette and Raj compliments. I'm on my few friends. There we go. You see? More friends the merrier. Also MKA says, but why, bro? Why the laughter? Last seconds. Hey. Also, guys, have you tried out auto? That's good. Yeah, you can play the game without direct participation with auto. It's pretty great. Yeah, 0, 18, 28, 100, 28. We haven't on 18, so that's 50x. Gotta start somewhere. At 50x, still better than nothing, right? Long name, third come, second does 746. Out of the tip of the compliments, lightning buns. Let's go, guys. Watch shaking again.
Good luck, guys. Sana effective.
Look at that. My boy 33, shaking like it's crazy. Woo! Final second, like a Discord Friday night. Next red, 3 combo, okay? Let's go out to see. Let's see. RS 100 deposit. I haven't tried contacting live support about that issue. 0 and 30. 100 and 0. No, I was talking. 32 red. I didn't even know, guys. Second column. Third dozen. 845. It's hot number. Beck. Frank. Compliments. I do not choose the outcomes, guys. I do not. I'm just the host. Last second. Which means I talk a lot and announce what's happening, you know. or your convenience. And that's what I'm always saying. If you have any questions on me, ask away. Let's go. The chat just disappeared. Oh, there it is. It's fine now. Anyway, we got 3 numbers, and they are 8, 9, 26 with 526.
Dapat 2 skip pala. Tae na tumama. Guys, tae na.
That's in black.
Shit!
Lonely out first call. Second doesn't have 7. Aaron Floyd, CYF.
Ang laki pala kasi ng taya natin, guys. Hindi ko expect na 4 na taya
You got it.
natin.
Last second, guys. Let's do it.
Dito na lang, guys. So up tayo ng 1 to, guys, for 20 minutes. So
Good luck
pag
to you.
maglalaro ulit ako
Let's
mamaya,
see. So the grid rules.
re-record
Wait.
ko na lang.
We got 4 numbers, right? They are 1, 5, 11, 32.
So
150 on
bababaan
one
natin
blue.
yung buhon natin, guys, kasi tae na. Oh,
10 black.
sakit.
Long and even. First call, first dozen.
So out na tayo.
Dear section, 750 someone's flow.